March 16th, 2019, I autocrossed my Evo for the first time in 5 years. Hey everyone, this is Jeremy Alt from the Evolution Autocrosser YouTube channel, today with episode 5 of the 2019 season of Evolution Autocrosser. Today's video is sponsored by smashing that like button like a Mazda Miata at the starting line. In the previous episode, episode 4, you saw me mount the wheels and tires on my Evo and install racing seats and harnesses. In this episode, we're going to talk about the first autocross that I did, watch the footage, and then find out where I placed. Saturday morning, March 16th, I drove my Evo to the Texas Motor Speedway bus lot to prepare to autocross with the NTA XS, that's the North Texas Autocross Series, in Class 3. In this particular club, cars are classed into 4 different classes based on engine size alone. Car modifications and aero are not taken into consideration. The Mitsubishi Evolution runs in Class 3 with this club. Class 3 is all engines larger than 2.5 liters but smaller than 4.0 liters. However, there is a 1.5 multiplier on turbocharged engines. Therefore, I have to take the 2.4 liters of my built Evo motor and multiply that times 1.5 to get 3.6. That's how I end up in Class 3. Mitsubishi Evolutions with stock 2-liter engines will also run in Class 3 because the 2 liters times the 1.5 multiplier for the turbocharger equals 3 liters. So all Mitsubishi Evolutions, whether they be the stock 2-liter, the built, stroked, or de-stroked engines, would all run in Class 3. On this day, 19 cars showed up to run in Class 3. This included 3 Mitsubishi Evolutions, a Toyota MR2, a Mazda Speed 3, 2 Mustangs, a BMW, and several other cars. Autocross runs for the day are divided into 4 morning runs and 4 afternoon runs for a total of 8 runs. Let's start by looking at my quickest run of the morning, what I did right and what I did wrong.
Andreas Garcia in the Civic Type R with a 62.510. On his 4th and final run, he finds a 2.5 seconds down to a 52.611. That is currently your fastest time of the day. 52.611, setting quite a bar there, Jeremy Old, on your 4th and final run of the morning heat. Good job there. Currently first place in Class 3 as well.
Alright, so there we go. At that point in time, I was first in class and was holding fastest time of day. But I was in the first run group, and we still had many other cars to run. However, at the end of the morning runs, I ended up in 2nd place. I got beat by a Toyota MR2 by 11 thousandths of a second. After those morning runs, I took a moment to pose for a photo with my Evo, giving the 2nd place sign. Still, it was a fun day, it was fun runs, and I had a big smile on my face, but guess what? we still have 4 more afternoon runs for me to try to come back, make the win, and redeem myself and all Mitsubishi Evolutions. Okay, maybe not really, but I have another chance in the afternoon to take back the win. Over the 1-hour lunch break between the morning runs and afternoon runs, I ran over to Whataburger, what else, the best in Texas, to go grab lunch. And lo and behold, I ran into Nathan Dick, the driver of that Toyota MR2, who beat me by 11 thousandths of a second. Now, he was a great guy. We had a little bit of a friendly conversation there and talked about our histories of autocross and for how many years we've been doing it. And this guy's a very talented driver, and I knew I had my work cut out for me. In fact, honestly, I accepted the fact that I was not going to win today, right? That I was going to end up in second place. If anything, maybe other drivers would go faster and I would end up getting bumped down to third place. I kind of accepted that, and that's fine. It had been, after all, 5 years since I'd autocrossed, so I was fine accepting not winning first place and was just happy to be there. And so as we concluded our lunch conversation, I ended with a little bit of a smart aleck sense of humor that I have, and I said, well, Nathan, I wish you luck, but I want to win today, so I'm going to reserve that for myself. We had a little bit of a chuckle, and on we went back to the event. So now, back at the starting line for our afternoon runs. The sun has been out, it has warmed up the surface, the air is warmer, everything's going to be warmer now, the tires are a little bit more sticky, and we should expect to go a lot faster in the afternoon. So with that, let's see how things go. I'm sitting here at the starting line, just waiting for the starter to go ahead and point me on. And when he gives me the signal, I'm off. And I trip the starting line and put the throttle down.
Finds another big chunk of time and drops Class 3 lead even lower, down to a 51.428. 51.428 for Jeremy Alt now on his 7th run. He's now 8th in a winning now for first place in Class 3.
When I finished that run, it felt fast, and I knew it was a good one because that was the fastest time that I'd put down that day. I was down in the 51s. I didn't know exactly where I was going to end up, or if I was going to get first place, or if I was in second, or if the other cars were doing low 51s or even 50s. But I knew that the run felt good. It was fast. I was happy with it. It put a smile on my face. And you know what? Best of all, most important, is that I had fun. I had a good day. I had fun. So anyway, fast forward, I drive on down to the paddock staging area, whatever you want to call it, and I'm parked there. And so Nathan in the MR2 comes up to me and he says, well, congratulations, you won first place. I was shocked. I was like, what? Really? I won? And so it came as a surprise to me. I knew I'd done well, but I didn't know if he had gone even faster, which has happened to me in the past. But bottom line, on that day, my first autocross back after a 5-year break, I won first place in class. Well, that's it for today's video. I'm going to wrap up this video. And if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful or informative, please be sure to blip that like button and mash on that subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, your feedback, comments, suggestions, recommendations, complaints are all welcomed. put them in the comments section below. I do my best to reply to everyone. I love to hear your comments. And while you're at it, be sure to hit that notification bell so you'll know when the next video comes out, and there will be more. In the meantime, I hope to see you out there. And until then, this is Jeremy Alt with Evolution Autocrosser, signing off.